Hi, this is Chris from Saddle Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Volkswagen Golf Comfortline, stock reference number 5615. The shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a CAVD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder twin charged petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CAVD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder twin charged petrol engine. We have the left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy grip bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black clock interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.